Okay, this is the Healthier Troops in a Snap Scouting Nutrition and Activity Program Session 1 description, and this comes from the curriculum that's available for both brownies and juniors. A little bit of background. We know that the frequency of family meals is linked with numerous good health outcomes for kids and families. So one of the big goals of this program is to increase the quantity or quality of family meals. Another goal is to promote physical activities. And parents who are supportive of physical activity have children who are more physically active, possibly at lower risk for obesity. There are several ways to be supportive of children's physical activity. Here's a few ways that parents can be supportive. Being a role model, signing a kid up for sports or activity programs, buying equipment that promotes physical activity, and taking kids to parks or other places where they can be active. Those are all ways of supporting physical activity. Also, girls and parents can help each other be more active by finding fun ways to take healthy steps together, and that's a big part of this program. We're asking that girls work to make difficult changes, and they will need the support of the troop leaders to do that. So with this first session, here are the parts that are covered. There's about a discussion that takes about 5 to 10 minutes. Then there's a physical activity called walk and talk, and that's where they take a walk together and talk and discuss reasons for walking as a form of physical activity. And of course they can just have fun talking to each other as well. They will have a how am I doing checkup, which you can read aloud if you like. And then the nutrition component is making a fruit and vegetable snack, practicing a family meal together, and of course practicing good manners. At the end, there's time for review and a little take-home sheet for the badge requirement. So the objectives of this session is that girls will be introduced to Healthier Troops in a Snap and the program goals and activities. They will learn the desired behaviors of Healthy Troops in a Snap. Those are the things that we're trying to promote. And improve food preparation skills through an active hands-on experience of making a fruit and vegetable snack. So the discussion points that you can cover are covering ways to promote water consumption, and that is drinking water instead of sugar, sweetened beverages, soda, or pop. And here we're shooting for the traditional 8 cups or 64 ounces over a whole day. It's a great idea to have water bottles available during troop meetings, and that could be one of the policies that you set, is to make sure that girls have a source of water to drink with them at the meetings, and of course during campouts and other Girl Scout activity. The second component is taking steps for fun and health. You can talk about how does taking steps make us healthy? How many steps should girls take in a day? And so this is the part that if you're using a pedometer, you can shoot for the 12,000 a day. If not, you can talk about meeting the hour of physical activity that meets the guidelines for physical activity and health. And parents, if they're doing this, parents have a different standard for about 10,000 steps a day or half an hour of moderate to vigorous physical activity. And of course, if they partner up, that would be a good way for them to both meet those target behaviors. The final part is family connections through mealtime, and we'll talk about the importance of family meals. How are fruits and vegetables good for you, and why should they be included? Why should we turn off the TV during family meals? Why should we turn on family conversation? So some more discussion points to save at the end, and these are things that you'd want to share with the parents or have the children share with the parents as well. That participating in the program or working on physical activity, fruit and vegetables, and family connected meals, and working on badges and patches or triads along the way. And then there's the self-monitoring part at the end with the how am I doing checkup that girls and parents can both do so that we can track progress over the course of the program. Here's what that looks like. You can see the full details in the curriculum. After they do the checkup, it's good to set goals. And you can see the details of that in the program also. And here's the parent version. And here's the suggested fruit and vegetable snack. You can substitute whatever you like as long as 2/3 of it are fruits and vegetables. Optional song.